Hi Virgos, welcome to your February 2021 reading. And in this reading, I'm going to be exploring all areas of your life and deliver the messages to you as and how I receive them. And in the meanwhile, if you'd like to um, get a free reading from me, you can join me on Instagram and Facebook. The links to both these places I will offer in the description box below. And if you'd Yeah, if you'd like a free reading, please join me for the lives I do over there. And in the meanwhile, also please subscribe to the channel. I'd hugely appreciate it. And if you can give this reading a thumbs up, I love you guys for that. So let me go forward and see what's coming up for the sign of Virgo in the month of February 2021. Spirit, what's coming up for Virgos in the month of February 2021? The moon. All right, let me go ahead and clarify that. The chariot in reverse and the ace of pentacles. You also get the seven of swords. There is the two of pentacles energy. There is the three of cups. There is the four of swords. There's the five of wands. What's going on with you, Virgos? And there is the seven of pentacles energy. Virgos, I feel like there is something at the back of your mind. This could be a relationship with someone you knew, or someone who was there very strongly on your mind. And I feel like things have come to a standstill with them, or you feel like something's really stuck and something's not moving with this person. And this is leaving you hanging in your situation. This could be making you feel quite stuck and stagnant. I also feel like Virgos, like, why is the ace of pentacles here? Let me get a clarifier on that. I feel like Virgos, there could be a resurgence of a relationship happening for you in the month of February. Whatever this was that was feeling dead or stuck and stagnant for you is definitely resurging for you in the month of February. And I feel like there is definitely unfinished business here. You get the card of the Fool and the Six of Wands. Like I have been saying to you, Virgos, I feel like there is someone at the back of your mind constantly, or a situation that's playing on your mind a lot, and you feel like that you don't know where it's headed or what's going. I definitely feel like the energetic cords are not severed between the two of you, and I feel like one of the two is making a move towards new beginnings, or reconnecting in this relationship here. And with the seven of swords energy, you kind of feel like this is going to happen. This is going to happen, and in a more balanced, in a very slow and a gradual and a very subtle way. For some of you Virgos, your friends could play an important role here in bringing either the two of you together, or there's something to do with them, or keeping you in a good mood while this works out for you in the background. You also get the Ten of Wands energy. I kind of feel like you are carrying a lot of weight on your mind and your heart at this point in time, and this could be related to you giving your energy to too many things in many directions at this point in time. Also, with the Four of Pentacles energy, I feel like you are working on creating some solid grounds with regards to your financial stability in the coming times, and you're also looking for some kind of reprieve or rest, but it's like you're not able to arrive at that peace of mind. I also want you Virgos to know that there is the Five of Wands and the Seven of Cups energy here. So with this, you could be torn in many directions at this point in time. There could be a little bit of confusion, so you could be lashing out on people, and you're being asked to keep a tab and be very cool about how you interact with people. and what it is that you speak, also where it is that you are giving your attention, your time, and your energy. You also get the card of judgment. Like I said, you need to be careful about where you're giving your time and energy in the month of February. And you also have the card of Seven of Pentacles. I kind of feel like this either the lack of stability in this relationship or smooth progression in this relationship, or it could be between two people like a couple, or it could be with regards to um, your work life. But I feel like there is you're worried about some kind of stability. But with the card with the lovers, I feel like you are not going to be single for long. And something very similar I got for the sign of Aries. If you are an Aries, or if you're dealing with an Aries, you might want to go and check out that reading. There could be something for you there. You could be a very strongly aspected Aries in your chart somewhere. And I also feel like a new relationship, a very strong relationship, is on the horizon for you. However, if this is the same person that you happen to choose to go ahead in the relationship with, if this is resurfacing for you from the past, it's looking stronger now. Yes. With the Six of Swords energy, I kind of feel like the two of you are going to pick up, brush the differences underneath the carpet, and you're going to pick up from there and move on towards the Ten of Pentacles energy, which is looking like a very beautiful energy that the two of you could be stepping into. And this feels like a stronger connection than before. You also get the card of Eight of Pentacles. I feel like some of you Virgos could either come across this person at workplace, or something to do with a financial situation or a contract or job. But there is definitely a possibility of a very strong connect here, and there's lots of money involved here. Either, I don't know if this is at your workplace, or you could be working with this person, or the two of you have investments together, the two of you have joint ventures together, the two of you could be holding accounts together. It could be anything, but at the bottom of the deck, what you don't see is the card of the star. It means in the month of February, you are in for a real treat after all the turmoil that you've been going through at the relationship front in the past few weeks. All the confusion is going to clear, and you're going to be goal setting yourself for yourself and moving towards a more stable and a healthy future, both emotionally and financially. You get the card of Ten of Swords here, and I feel like you're putting an end. You're putting an end to an old situation that wasn't working for you, and you're trying to balance your energies now. With the card of Justice and the Knight of Pentacles, I feel like Virgos, you are going to now move ahead with this person or in the new energy very gradually. You're not going to be hasty, and you're going to try to either act more maturely, or you are actually becoming emotionally more mature, and you're trying to keep cool and calm. You get the card of the Magician. Just before you, I was reading for the sign of Taurus, and they got something very similar too. You could be dealing with a Taurus. I have the Gemini energy. I have a Libra here, and yes, I have Scorpio too. So, or a Pisces. You could be dealing with any of the signs. Maybe, may not be. But I get the card of the Magician, and I feel like now you are manifesting a more stable and a strong foundation with this person or in your life, and you're going to see things from a much different perspective than you were looking at it from before. I kind of feel like where you were looking at something from a more centered and a pinned view, you're expanding your vision, and you're kind of taking the bigger picture in the purview, and that is what is helping you overcome the tides of feeling or a little lost, or probably your relationship's not working out for you in the past. But now, as you change your perspective, you also welcome new, healthier, and more stable energies, more grounded energies with regards to relationship in your life here. And I don't see you being in any kind of hurry. You're going to, and you're willing to take it slow and steady. Slow and steady, yet stable. I think that's what I'm going to caption this. So that's what I have for you for now, Virgos. And please do comment and let me know how these energies are playing in your life. And once again, I would love to see a thumbs up on this video. And please do subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for me. And do join me on Instagram and Facebook. You can find the links in the description box below. I'm going to see you very, very soon. So until we meet again, bye bye, stay safe, and God bless.